If you've ever tried to use a full photo as your Facebook profile picture, you probably noticed that Facebook crops it into a circle and cuts off important parts of the image. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fit as much of your picture as possible on your Facebook profile, so it looks clean, centered, and ready to post. This is a simple tutorial for anyone who wants better profile picture placement without wasting time guessing and re-uploading over and over. And if this helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Facebook and go to your profile. You can do this by tapping or clicking your profile picture in the top corner of the app or website. Once you're on your profile page, look for your current profile picture and select it. From there, click Update Profile Picture. This is where you'll be able to upload a new image or adjust the one you already have. Now upload the photo you want to use. Once the image loads, Facebook will show you the editing screen, and this is the most important part. You'll see drag and zoom controls that let you move the picture around and scale it up or down. Use these tools carefully to position the image so the most important part of your photo stays inside the circle frame. If your picture includes a face, logo, text, or any important detail, make sure it is centered properly before saving. Since Facebook profile pictures are displayed in a circle, anything too close to the edges make it cut off. The trick is to drag the image until the best part is in the middle, then zoom in or out until it looks balanced. Take your time here because a small adjustment can make a big difference in how the final profile picture appears. If the image looks too zoomed in, zoom out a little so more of the picture fits inside the frame. If it looks too wide or off-center, drag it slightly until it lines up better. Keep checking the preview as you make changes, because that preview is what other people will see on your profile. Once everything looks right and the full picture is framed as well as possible, click Save. After saving, go back to your profile and check the result. If needed, you can repeat the process and fine-tune the placement again. Sometimes it takes 1 or 2 tries to get the best fit, especially if your photo has a lot of detail near the edges. But once you learn how to use the drag and zoom tools properly, it becomes very easy to make your Facebook profile picture look the way you want. So that's how to fit a full picture on your Facebook profile using Facebook's built-in profile picture editor. Just go to your profile, choose Update Profile Picture, upload your photo, adjust it with drag and zoom, keep the important parts inside the circle frame, and save it when you're done. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more quick Facebook tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.